Good morning, students. If you're seeing this video, that means that my internet connection is still being very unreliable. Since last Friday, well, actually Saturday morning, it's been very slow and it's been sputtering. I can check my emails and do a little bit of work, but unfortunately, it is definitely I can't Skype or Zoom or use any sort of video conferencing. It just freezes up too much. It does seem to get better a little bit in the evening times, between about 4 and 6, but I don't think you want to have your English lesson that late at night. So what we're just going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to go ahead and give you your assignment here on YouTube, and your assignment will be posted in Teams, and you'll have your chance to finish that when you have the opportunity to. All right, this part of the video is specifically for 3K and 3M. You will notice in your assignments, I have given you a new assignment, and there are going to be 3 files attached. Those 3 files are going to be your new bridges. It's the March bridge, the April bridge, and the May-June bridge. You'll notice in the assignment that I have assigned each of you a different article from one of those 3 magazines. What you're going to do is you are going to read your specific article, and then you need to prepare to be able to talk about that article for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You have 2 choices for doing your talk. Your first choice is you can video yourself speaking for 2 minutes, and then attach that to the assignment. You'll send that in as your 2 minutes video to the assignment talking about your article. Please note that if there is time, I will be showing some of those videos. So be ready to be seen by your classmates. This is not just private between you and I. Your other option is, if you don't think you can make a video, you can come to class and you can give your 2 minutes. This will be next week. You will be able to give your 2-minute talk in class over the Teams. In order for you to do this, you need to make sure that you have a working camera. So you can't come to class with no video sent and say, oh, Mr. Eckert, my camera doesn't work, my microphone doesn't work. You're going to have an entire week to get these technical issues sorted out. Go see a friend, borrow a camera, do what you have to do, but make sure that you either send me a video before next Tuesday, or that you are prepared to speak for 2 minutes on the Teams meeting on next Tuesday. It doesn't have to go into a lot of detail, just a brief overview of what the article was. And if you don't think that there's too much to talk about in the article, feel free to talk about your opinion. How did the article make you feel? Do you think it was a good article? Do you think it was a bad article? Do you think the topic was interesting or truthful? Do you think it was propaganda? So you're able to give your opinion as part of the 2 minutes. And it's just a brief overview so that everyone else gets an idea of what the article is. Now, of course, you don't have to just read your own article. You are free to read anything from all 3 issues. And so those are yours. Unfortunately, since we're not going to school, I can't give you your 3 issues. So physically, they will be around. They're just collecting dust in my office, so when the time comes. But here's the PDF version, so at least you're getting your money's worth at this point. And if a new one comes out, then I will go ahead and send that along to you as well. All right. So please remember, look at the assignment. Either send the assignment as a video, or you can do the video in class. Those are your choices, but you have to do one of them. And make sure that your equipment is working and that you are able to do it. And hopefully my internet will be fixed by next week. I think Wednesday or Thursday, if it's still being slow and sputtering, I will have to go down to the office and well, take my wife with me and yell at them in English, and then my wife will yell at them in Czech, and hopefully we'll figure out what's wrong so that we don't have to do this again next week. All right. Have a good week, and I will see you next Tuesday. Bye-bye.